This car has the cob intake. It has a Grimm speed header. It has an ETS intercooler. Top mount's got a Grimm speed header, and it's got a Perrin turbo inlet. It also carries the Cobb flex fuel sensor, the Cobb access port, and the Cobb greatest tuner right there, Steve. So this also has, and you gotta hang in there with me, the new Blausch 3.0 G2R turbo. I just want to tell you just a small story about Blausch. It's not really a story. Blausch. I'm from Brooklyn, okay? Anyway, you know, there was something going on, and I got an opportunity to speak to the owner of Blausch, and he needed something. I had it. I just sent it right out to him, you know, business to business, friend to friend, and didn't really know him. You know, we do business. Well, you know, a guy calls me up, he gets what I sent him, he calls me up and he's like, you know, I just want to thank you. Well, you know, past that, I got an opportunity to just speak to the guy. Now, let me just tell you something. One of the nicest down-to-earth turbo companies out there. I mean, yeah, you know, we're big Garrett guys. There's no discrepancy about that. But Blausch makes some really killer stuff specifically for the Subaru, and their stuff really works. It's a real business. It's a family-owned business, and the people there are super nice, super honest, and it's just the kind of people you want to do business with. On top of that, they make a great effing product. So, you know, I really give big props to for all the people out there over there in Blausch. In Blauschland, really nice people, great company. You get a chance to get one of their turbos. It's the right fit for your car. Don't even hesitate. Just get it. Tell them Vinny Ten sent you, all right? In the meantime, Steve!
Don't forget about the South Bay injectors.
Oh my God.
The radium hanger.
Oh my God.
And the high-wire, hard-wire.
Oh my God. Frank will kill me. Yes. 2200 cc South Bay injectors. I-wire, hardwire kit in there, and from my really good friends over at Radium, it's got the radium hanger kit. I said I was gonna have trouble with this one, way too many mods, but that's why we have partners, that's why we have friends to lift you up when you fall down a little bit. Thank you, Steve. Now, fire in that hole, baby. Absolutely got to love the sound of that EJ. All right, a little better here numbers. Pump gas, you got 457, 400 foot-pounds of torque. E85, 525 horsepower, 520 foot-pounds of torque. That's just a real flat torque curve right there. That's going to feel like it's got power all the way through. Come here, I just want to bring you guys in here for one more second. Look how long it carries it. It literally carries it right to the end of the RPM band. No falling off, no loss of power, right to the end. That's some great tuning, and that is a great turbo along with a bunch of great other products to make it all happen so smoothly and so quickly.